Standard costing. Standard costing. Because in the tute I gave variance, let's discuss standard costing first. Put a heading, standard costing. What is basically the term standard costing means? What is standard costing? Simply, you can refer study text for additional information, but I want to go to the historical side to discuss these things. Right? During this industrial revolution period, we came on industrial revolution, right? Industrial revolution means what? Men to material. Oh, men to material means precisely men to machine. Men to machine. So that is industrial revolution. So men is replaced by the concept or the technique or technology that we can say machines. So machines came into place, and most of the people use machines to do mass production. So mass production is a concept. Mass production, huge production. That concept of mass production begins from post-industrial revolution period. Industrial revolution walin passe entities focused on mass production. So if I take the concept mass production, again I can say it's a type of push strategy of the production. Neva history, right? For your basic understanding, I am discussing all these things. Right? Standard concept. So when you are moving to next level, corporate level, you will able to understand the rationale behind these techniques. Principles develop to support manufacturing environment, service environment. Simply I can say costing environment. So after post industrial revolution, mass production begins, and they focused on push strategy. Look at the push strategy. Simply I can say like this. Push strategy is you produce what you can. You will produce what you can. Then you will push that to customers. එතකොට අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම produce කරගන්නවා mass production එක. Thereafter somehow we try to push or sell these product to customers. Example, during this era, they define marketing as selling fridge to Eskimo. Selling fridge to Eskimo. What is Eskimo? The people who lives in Arctic and Antarctic. They go to fridge But the push concept says, if you produce fridge, a mass production, if you are unable to sell within your territory, somehow you need to push this to sell that fridge to Eskimo even. So here we are not considering the necessity. Here we are primarily considering somehow we should sell. එතකොට mass production කියන concept එකෙන් අපිට predetermined බලන්න important. Predetermined standardized products claims. Standardized products. So earlier we discussed job costing, batch costing also. So under job costing, we studied each job, each orders are treated as a separate job. එතකොට person to person, customer to customer, if the requirements get changed, then the product also get changed. So highly standardized, less standardized. Because what we need to produce is based on the customer requirement. ඒක තමයි job costing එකේ batch costing එකේ අපි discuss කරේ. But in this mass production, it is not like that. You decide what to produce. You have a standardized pattern. So if it is a fridge, what is the materials that we are going to use? How much of labor that we are going to use? What is the pattern or what is the design that you are going to produce? All these are known as standardized product. So when you can do this mass production, when you can standardize the specification of the product, when you can able to decide the materials that you are going to use, when you can able to decide the type of labor that you are going to use, that is what called predetermined production. එතන තමයි standard costing එක support වෙන්නේ. So what is standard costing? Standard costing means we maintain certain predetermined cost. Why I am saying it is predetermined cost? It is possible in the mass production because we are the people who decide what to produce, what specification, what material. So material මොකද්ද, labor මොකද්ද, ඒකේ capacity එක මොකද්ද, composition මොකද්ද, all these things we can decide in advance. So it is a standardized product, predetermined cost structure. So standard costing is possible. Standard costing කියලා කියන්නේ cost is predetermined. That is possible in an environment where we are producing standardized product. එතකොට standard costing එකේ standardized product එකක් produce කරනවා නම් here you can able to apply standard costing principle. The same time, if your work environment, production environment is stable, if your production environment is stable, the environment is stable, you decide to produce this, that is the only product you produce. Based on the decision, based on the predetermined factor, you will produce only that product, right? And the environment is stable now. That case you can apply standard costing. So standard costing is possible when your production is push type. So when your production is push type, so push type of production, there, yes, standard costing is possible. Clear? So now I'll ask you a question. Lamai, mang explain කරපු එක තේරුණාද? Just an introduction to standard costing. Mang explain කරපු එක තේරුණාද? Yes or no, lamai? Is my explanation understood? එතකොට මගේ question එක තමයි පුතේ here. Let's take an environment currently that we belongs to. Highly volatile. Let's say an environment that that currently we belongs to the environment, business environment, whatever the organizations, what type of your organization you can take, that organization is highly volatile. That organization is highly volatile. Why I am saying it is highly volatile? Because if you do an environment analysis, environment of the business is not stable. So there is no stabilization. There is no stable entity. Always in the entity's environment, there are ups, there are downs. So simply we can say boom, recession. Both are there. So if I take the near future, obviously Sri Lankans, we're going to face a significant issue related to health and safety. So probably that is also one of the another reason why I want to complete soon, right? So probably personally I'm expecting another lockdown. So if there is a lockdown, I want to teach again from home. I hate because I'm not comfortable with it. So if I finish the syllabus and question practices, everything, I'm ready. I'm preparing for unstable environment. For an unstable environment. So now my question, if the current modern business environment is like this, do you think that standard costing will helpful? Do you think that standard costing is helpful? What is your answer? Yes or no? Which means my question is, do you think that standard costing is helpful for a modern volatile environment? Exactly, answer is no. No, Pute. You can't apply the standard costing as it is in the modern organization. Then in a modern organization, you can't decide how much of material will go to produce this particular product. Because that product design is decided by customer. Customer ahana vidiyata thama api produce karanna one. Right? Even let's take if you are making a kottu. You are making a kottu in a hotel. Right. And Lanka in the ministry taste different. Some other people will say, for example, if my brother, if he buy a kottu, so simply he said, don't put onions. Yata eka allergy. Ya kiyano matanan kanda baya ehma darma hamki. Eto ranne. Then we have to standardize kottu ekata cost ekak hadanna puluwanda. It can't because the specification get changed. Some other people they will say put more eggs. So standard is 1 egg. Some people will say, no, put 2 eggs. I will pay more, no worries. So environment is not volatile. Environment is not fixed. Environment is not stable. In this situation, you cannot apply standard cost in advance for the decisions. That's why if I take the modern principles, modern environment, the concept of standard costing become invalidate, and that is not providing a prudent, reliable measure. Prudent, reliable measures. Lamai mega therunada. Then the modern costing concepts, they criticize standard costing and they find out alternative costing system as a replacement for this standard costing. එතකොට දැන් තියෙන modern costing systems මොකද කරන්නේ? Replace කරනවලු මෙන්න මේ standard costing කියන traditional concept එක. අපි දැන් කතා කරනවා throughput accounting ගැන. දැන් කතා කරනවා just in time ගැන. දැන් කතා කරනවා මේ ABC, activity based costing. Now lean manufacturing. So we are talking about different costing systems. Modern costing systems, those systems are highly suitable for a volatile environment, changing environment, rapid environment, right? But where the standard costing is stable environment, eka possible. So if I take the standard costing principle, it is suitable for traditional, stable, fixed environment. Traditional, stable, fixed environment. So a knowledge you have to know those things. You have to know those things. Please remove this slide. When the slide number 3 may remove karaganda, that is wrong. Fine. Now, right, that is a basic explanation Pute about the standard costing, right?